What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're gonna be working on our friend's Type R and then swapping on our Color Match V1 spoiler, which is the OEM spoiler but modified. In the last video we did the OEM one on our car. I took it off already. I went to the body shop and have it paint match. If you're interested in all the color match like the Rally Red, the Sonic Gray, Boost Blue, and then the Championship White, it's in the link below. But today Michael's back. I have the wing painted already, so let me show you guys real quick. We actually painted it twice because if you guys know how paint works, anytime you paint, say you get the car from the dealership, right? And then you paint aftermarket, it's gonna be like not 100%, unless you blend the whole trunk or whatever. But we're not gonna do that, right? It's just a spoiler, it doesn't make sense. So we got it to match 95, 96%, which is pretty damn good. We'll pull it inside, we'll show you guys in the sun, you can't really tell, but under the light, you can tell the color. All the other colors are gonna be 99% match because there's no 100%, that doesn't exist. But yeah, I'm very excited. So this is perfect OEM plus, guys. Like, I'm freaking excited because I'm gonna do the same thing on our car. I feel like the black looks nice. The color match definitely gonna change it up. And as well as the front lip too. Michael has a V2 lip right now, so is our Type R as well. I actually broke my front lip. So Jerry was at this driveway, which was like, I think Jerry's going pretty fast and he broke it. So a lot of people keep breaking their lips. I don't even know how you guys are breaking them. I know Jerry went pretty fast on this one. All the V2s coming out this spring, it's gonna be beefed up 75%. So we're gonna use a stronger material. We don't wanna use bulletproof materials because, like I said, I don't want you guys to rip tabs on the bottom of the bumper. Keep it between us. This is actually my second bumper. The first bumper, I didn't post this, but the first bumper, I used a prototype that was super beefy. It was a full polyurethane, and then all the tabs got ripped on the bottom when I caught something. So I didn't post about that, guys, but yeah, this is my second bumper. So because of that reason, we don't really wanna make a lip that's like extremely like freaking strong, right? You can start breaking your stuff. Also, you can make a lip that's less aggressive, that don't stick out so far, then you guys don't have a problem. Like all the V1 boys, they never have any issues about scraping lip. But anyways, we're gonna beef it up. Our V3 lip that's coming out in spring as well, super beefed up as two. So strong enough where it'll last 2-3 years plus. I mean, I've seen some customers, to be honest. There was this one dude that came, I forgot his name, sorry if I called you out, bro, but I think he came here to get it installed and he drove straight down that driveway and broke his lip, like straight down like this. I don't know, I think driver mod is important, guys. But other than that, guys, that's update on the lips. And then the wing. Also, currently, guys, on our car, we are testing our current springs, which is the AFD Sport Springs, 1-inch drop all around. We did change the spring rates on these. I believe the Swift springs that we had were like 6K and it was too stiff for me. So we did a 5 in the front and 4.8 in the back. I believe, I am not 100% sure yet. I don't remember the exact specs. So I'm gonna pretty much test it one more week and we should be good to go. And we have a set coming in for our boy Michael to do on his car as well. Michael has window visors? I didn't even realize he got visors. He was to get our visors, bro. We're gonna take that shit. This actually looks pretty. It's OEM, right? Damn, Michael. Oh, that's a good comparison because we have our window visors coming in 2 weeks. I'm gonna put on our CTR. And then we'll do some comparison can be OEM. Actually, this is very nice. It goes all the way down. We're initially gonna make it down here, but it's like kind of ghetto, you know? So I think this car has to go all the way down. But anyway, guys, let's, here, let me show you guys the color match. I know you can't tell in the sun, but damn, look at this, way better. First time I painted it was like Sharpie white. Now it has a little bit more cream like the Championship White. Championship White is really hard because paint code NH0 has a lot of NH0, so. Let's get Michael's car inside. We're gonna take off his OEM spoiler and then we're gonna slap on this. I'm very excited to see how it looks. So enjoy these B-rolls, guys. We'll link up in like 5 minutes. I don't know if you can tell on the camera or not, but these two tones, metal and plastic, okay? They're like 2 different tones. So if you go to your Championship White, you just look at it, just, you know, keep that in mind, okay? Plastic and metal doesn't bond the same when it's painted, so. Michael's gonna look so good. Michael got me steak last, came by my house and got me some steak, dead ass. I like another pair of steak, please. This time I want some Wagyu, bro. All I gotta do is take off the 6 hex screws on the bottom and then put it back with the provided screws and it's gonna look hella fire. All right, guys, we just take off the OEM with the 6 bolts and then you're gonna use the provided bolts that we provide you and swap it on. Here, just give you guys a comparison if you wanna see. Color match is pretty much on par. Like I said, 95%. Looks really nice, damn. Actually, it looks very close to the bumper because of the plastic on plastic. The quarter panel itself is a little bit more white, but overall, very satisfied. Looks super good, and compared to the factory one where it rakes down like this is way more flush, way more clean. Certain angles, it looks 100% because this part is like cream. This is like white. This is cream, like cream white. I don't know, guys, but I'm satisfied. Pre-order in the link below, guys, if you're interested. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys go with OEM with the spoiler extension or go for this? This concludes the video. We're actually taking Michael's car out right now to get some photos and videos and B-rolls for you guys. If you're interested, oh my God, someone's got pulled over. Honestly, the cops here, dude, honestly, these cops here got nothing better to do. Oh my God, she looked at me, bro. She actually turned around. Should give him a ticket. I guarantee he'll come back for us. Watch. All right, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, guys, Type R stuff. We actually 3D scan a lot of the front bumper and rear bumper. I can't tell you what we're doing, but it's gonna be pretty sick. And especially with the new lip coming in, I'm excited. I'm gonna color match our whole Type R2. Delete a lot of some black parts and make it look more OEM plus. So if you're interested in the wing, guys, check the link below. Catch you guys next time. Peace.